In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a file to a marketing email in HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just looking for a refresher, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process, from logging into your account to sending a polished email complete with an image or video. Adding files to your emails is a great way to make them more engaging and visually appealing. So let's get started. First, log into your HubSpot account. This is the essential first step, as you'll need access to your account to manage and create marketing emails. If you don't already have a HubSpot account, you can use the link in the description below to sign up. Once you're logged in and on the HubSpot dashboard, move your cursor to the top navigation bar and hover over the Marketing tab. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From here, click on Email. This action takes you directly to the email dashboard, which serves as the central hub for creating and managing all your email communications. Now that you're on the email dashboard, you can either start fresh by creating a new marketing email or continue working on an existing draft. If you're creating a new email, this will give you a blank canvas to work with. On the other hand, opening a draft allows you to pick up where you left off. Choose whichever option fits your needs at this stage. Once you're in the email editor, look for the toolbar at the top here. You'll find the plus add button. Click on this button to reveal a drop-down menu. From the options available, select either image or video, depending on the type of file you'd like to include in your email. This choice allows you to add a visually engaging element, whether it's a photo or a video, to make your email stand out. Next, you'll need to upload your file. Click on the Upload Files button to select a file from your computer. Make sure the file you want to use is easily accessible and optimized for email. For example, images should be compressed to prevent slow loading times for your recipients. If your file isn't ready or you don't see it immediately, take a moment to locate it on your device before proceeding. Once your file is uploaded, hover your cursor over it and select Details. This step is important because it lets you review the file's metadata and other properties. By doing this, you can confirm that you've uploaded the correct file and that everything looks good before moving on to the next steps. With your file now added and confirmed, it's time to finish composing the rest of your email. Think carefully about the message you want to convey and ensure that your text aligns with the file you've included. This is your opportunity to craft a clear and engaging message for your recipients. Before you hit send, it's always a good idea to preview your email. Use the preview feature to double-check how your email will appear to your recipients. This allows you to catch any formatting issues, ensure that all links are working properly, and make any last-minute adjustments. Taking the time to preview your email helps you deliver a polished and professional final product. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, you're ready to send your email. Simply click the Send button, and your email, complete with the file you added, will be delivered to your recipients. And that's it. You've successfully added a file to a marketing email in HubSpot. So now you know exactly how to enhance your HubSpot emails with an image or video. If you have any other questions about using HubSpot or email marketing in general, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.